I have got a deck of cards here, and what I want you to do is when I riffle through those cards, I want you to pick any card. You ready? Let's start. Done? You got your card? Well, now, watch. What's up everyone, welcome to another video, and I know that I am not a very good magician, but I guess I got you on this. So the number you got was 9. And do you know that 9 itself is a magical number? Well, you doubt it? Well, let's go ahead and check out how we can say 9 is the magical number. We all know the multiplication table of 9, right? So let's go ahead and write the multiplication table. So what do we have? 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18 and so here is the multiplication table. Now what is so magical about this? Well, watch this. If you add these two numbers, what do you get? 0 plus 9 gives us 9. We add 1 plus 8 and we get 9. Add 2 plus 7, you get 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 5, 4, 9. 6, 3, 9. 7, 2, 9. 8, 1, 9. And 9, 0 also gives us 9. In no other multiplication table will you get this feature where all the numbers added gives us the same number whose multiplication table we are writing. And is that it? No, it's not it. Look at one more sequence. Look at all the first digits and all the second digits. When you move from top to bottom, what do you see the pattern? It goes from 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and as you move back up on the right side, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have all the digits from 0 to 9 falling in sequence as we go from the first value to the last value. So it goes from 0 to 9 down, and in the second place or in the ones place when you go back up, it goes from 0 to 9 in the opposite direction. And these are two features, two beautiful features that you will not find in any other mathematical table. And that's why we consider 9 as a very magical number. I hope you enjoyed this one. It is a very simple but amazing thing that we have about 9. You will not find it anywhere else, and that's why it makes 9 so special. Maybe you have known about it earlier. If you know any other such magical number, then do let me know in the comment section, because I would love to know it, and I think people will also want to know any other number you know. So don't be afraid to share, and don't be shy of sharing as well. So make sure you comment down in the comment section if you like this video and if you enjoyed this one. So thank you everyone for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you are on Facebook, then make sure you follow the page Learning Hub. So thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, cheers.